Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hilda Oktaviani. You can call me Hilda. I come from English Education Department of STKIP Latansa Masiro. Okay, respectable Miss Hikmah Prabitasari as a lecturer, honorable all my friend. Okay, here I want a presentation about my 4 observation worksheet. The background information. Teacher's names: Royhan Kamal. Course name: quantifier. A lot of, much, and many. So level junior high school, and the number of students 20 students. So description of student. There are 10 male and 10 female college students. The student age range from 20 to 13 years old. Junior high school. So the level is elementary English level. The objective: through active participation in the quantifier, a lot of, much, and many lesson. The first, student will be able to determine the function of quantifiers such as a lot of, much, and many in sentences. So, skill focus or grammar structure or vocabulary, they are speaking, pronunciation, noun, and communicative interactive. Okay, here there is a lesson. There is 3 parts. The first part is time, second part is procedure, and third part is notes. So the time 10 minutes, procedure warm up, the notes. The teacher begins the class by greeting and asking the student condition. Before starting the learning activity, the teacher will conduct a good message to his classmates in turns. After that, the teacher immediately read the attendance and explain the learning material that will be carried out today. So, the time 20 minutes procedure is presentation, and the notes, the teacher write on whiteboard the function and some example of the quantifier, a lot of, much, and many. Then the student write the material in their notebooks. After that, the teacher shows some picture on the screen in the form of question. Form the material presented by the teacher. After student answer some question, the teacher connect to be material about quantifier. In the time 10 minutes. Later, the procedure practice and the notes. In this section, the teacher makes discussion group with several regular points, including every group has 2 students. Every group has to make 3 sentences using quantifier, lot of, much, and many. The sentences should be different one to another group. Then, the teacher gives student 5 minutes to do work. So, the time 5 minutes, procedure, evaluation, and assessment. Notes. In the end, the teacher asks the student to collect the answer on the desk. After that, the teacher gives some motivation to the student to keep their performance in following the learning activities in the class. So in the end, the teacher will close today by saying greeting. Next, there is reflection. The question from reflection: first, did the teacher use communicative language teaching? What action or activities did you observe to support your answer? My answer: yes, because the teacher opened the class by asking how the student condition. Before starting the material, the teacher gives a message game to students so they don't get sleepy when start class. The teacher tells the student about the material. Then the student answer it. The teacher asks the student to discuss about the topic quantifier, a lot of, much and many. So the teacher gives some feedback to all of students. So the next question, how much were the students involved in and with the lesson? My answer, I think at the beginning of the class, all students are happy with the class activity. Then the teacher arranges students with sample questions so that students are more active. Then the teacher prepares a discussion group with their chairmate to help students communicate with others about the material. So the next question is, what did you notice about teacher talk time versus student talk time? My answer, in class activities, the teacher used the exciting facilities in the class by using a blackboard and a projector. There is more time for a teacher to speak than for the student. So, what was the warm-up of the lesson? My answer, the warm-up lesson began with the teacher asking the student condition, so then doing a message game for students so that students don't get sleepy when learning takes place. So, next question is, how was the new material presented? My question, in class, the teacher gave materials about quantifiers, a lot, much and many, to students. The teacher explained the function and some explains in everyday life by presenting them using a blackboard and projector. Then after that, the student discuss with group. Next question is, was there an evaluation? My answer, the teacher gives a very detailed explanation. At the beginning of the form, the teacher always turns the class on by discussing with the student. So, next question is, in this page, write and final comment you have about the lesson you observe. My answer, in my conclusion, in this class is not monotonous. So students are free to give argument and the teacher explanation to students is very clear. At the end of the class, the teacher give feedback and motivation to students. After observation report, the teacher start the class by greeting and asking the student condition. After that, the student play the game. Name of the game is message game. After the game ends, the teacher checks the student attendance. Then, the teacher explains the material to be delivered. That is the function of quantifier, a lot of, many and much. So, the teacher writes the material on the whiteboard. Before explaining the material, the teacher warns the student to stay focused while the teacher is explaining the material. Face-to-face learning went smoothly with whiteboards and projector. Some students were very active in answering what the teacher said. Each teacher explained always asked students to give example, and one female student and one male student provide example. The teacher explained the material in detail by giving examples that occur in everyday life. So then after that, the teacher displayed some picture through the projector media in the form of question to find out the student understanding. And the teacher always asks the student to read the question the teacher gives. After that, teacher gives time to discuss by making group and the teacher conveys the rules. Each group consists of 2 students. Each student makes 3 sentences using quantifier lot of, much, and many. The sentences should be different one to another group. The teacher gives instruction on a discussion sheet with the group collected on a paper in front of the table. Then, the teacher is given 5 minutes to do it. When students are working, the teacher checks the surroundings to make sure that the student. After that, in the end learning, the teacher gives feedback to the student. Then, before closing, the teacher gives motivation to the student. So, in my opinion, I really like the learning method delivered by the teacher. It's not boring. The class is very active. The students are actively talking. The students are actively communicative. I also really like it when the teacher gives feedback and gives lot of example to students by doing the media that in the classroom. So, it is exemplary when the teacher motivates students because it fosters enthusiasm for learning in students. So, my question is that the teacher does not always say the word. Are you understand? When delivering material because it's not very conducive to be heard. Okay, maybe just that from me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.